My name is Ian and welcome to Planted. I'm on a mission to help you have more success with plants. In this episode, I'm going to give you a tour of the planted courtyard in late May. Lots of growth, lots to show you. So here we are in late May, and there's explosive growth throughout the planted courtyard. All sorts of things have emerged from their winter slumber, and I want to show you a few of them. And I really want to make the point that it's this time of the year now, May, which is not summer, and it's certainly warmer than the majority of the spring, that there's huge growth. And if you want to have lots of summer color, it's the growth now that will later lead to lots of flowers and color and fragrance. So there's no getting away from it. Late May, early June is a prolific time in the garden, and I want to show you a lot of the things that are going on in the planted courtyard. So let's go and have a look. So let's get into the planted courtyard. Now, this is the hardy banana that came through the winter, not with just one trunk, but we've got a little baby there and another one here. So this is absolutely splendid. Very happy about that. It's very normal for these leaves to come out a little bit beaten up, but this will have wonderful growth. This is a great plant for children. It's called Musabajiu, very fast, very tropical. It will never give you fruit, but those leaves are rather special. Last year, I grew these from seed. This is a beautiful Lilium formosanum. I got the seed and they are growing nicely. They will give us some really nice flowers. Look at these for lilies, already 4 feet high. It won't be long now before the buds start to show and we'll get some color. So this year is very different. We've got lily, dahlia. This is the big white dinner plate dahlia. More lilies, more dahlia, chuck in a tomato, more lilies, another fig, more lilies, another dahlia, another tomato. And this is a fig, very nice fig. And it grew with that single stem. I didn't have to prune it, and I'm very happy. I'm going to probably keep it as a tree and let it really fatten up. Here is our wonderful Salvia Amistad this year. This was featured in an earlier video. Here's our flower buds starting, and just perfect 10 out of 10. Go back through the archive and you can find the video I did on Salvia Amistad. Something truly wonderful. This is little Convolvulous. I featured this in a seed video, and I just love the way it cascades down. Look at that. We've got one that's reverted to blue flowers, and then we've got the white over here. And I love this leaf. Very full, very tropical. Tree dahlia doing what it does. Early summer, you have to comment on peonies. This is a Sarah Bernhard. Did another video on these. Make sure you put the stakes in. Now, I've got a special plant over here that I've been waiting to show you. And it's only going to get better. This is the grey foliage. This is Lotus Jacobias. There's a little flower you can see just. Here's probably a better one. It's burgundy. I mean, just beautiful. Look at that. And if you look carefully, you can see we've got lots and lots of flowers yet to come. This is about to explode on us. There might be another one over here. Just had a very wet weekend, so many of these flowers have suffered. Albitsa. It starts out with leaves this color, then they go dark burgundy. I'm always amazed that these little leaves can open up so readily. Truly splendiferous. And then finally, my wisteria did flower. These are double flowers, very attractive. I thought they would be a lot longer and much darker, but I can't say I'm unhappy. I think it will be great. Now, this is Olympia fig. Now, This fig has set the most amazing crop of fruit. These are all Bereba fruit. This is the early crop that are on last year's wood. And what I want to point out here is this is completely natural. We've got lots of fruit that have set, and we've got one that's gone yellow. That's not a problem. This is the plant deciding on how much crop it can carry. Sometimes it will carry a large crop, sometimes it will drop a lot. If we go over here, see this branch has decided that it's going to carry this fruit, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's going to drop these. It doesn't bother me in the slightest. And there, oh, there's another one. You can see this one's going to go. This did have 90 fruits on it. I expect if we got 50 off it, I would be super stoked. Now look at this for American beech. I think that is just wonderful. And this height up here is 4.5 feet. But if you take the width of it from here all the way over to there, it's at least 3 feet wide. And it's that width that allows the plant to be nice and dense and healthy. If you try to cut it here and cut it there and make it very, very narrow, it just wouldn't be anywhere near as healthy. I think that that is just exquisite. Now I've come to this corner to show you the outlandishly beautiful wisteria. And I've mentioned in the past that I prune my wisteria multiple times a year when I want to. And what I want to show you is up there we've got lots and lots of growth. And that growth needs to be tamed. You can wait until the second Thursday in August if that's what you want to do, but I'll be up there in a couple of weeks thinning that out, making sure that it doesn't get away from me. And that is the planted courtyard. Thank you for watching the planted courtyard. Tell your friends, tell your family, and as ever, happy planting.